So we're going to work on taking this part off. This is a door handle off an 89 Toyota pickup. We'll remove this little screw here. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to push that direction. And it's just going to be a little tiny bit, and it's going to release a couple of hooks inside there. So these hooks right here. Okay, and then it's going to come loose like that. It's going to still be connected over here, and this is just a little plastic clip. I'm going to use some pliers here to disengage that little plastic clip. Okay. Alright, so that's disengaged. You can see how that turns. It only spins or turns one direction. It's kind of like a door hinge. So there's a pivot point, and it only turns one way. So as long as you pay attention to that, and you'll be alright, because you could break it if you're not careful with it. So I'm going to hold on to this here and then just push this part down like that. Okay, so this is the part. Here's a little plastic clip. You can see it's got little teeth in there that kind of hold that wire in place. And here's a close-up of that part. Okay, so let's put it back on. So we want this to be open. Find our little wire here. We're just going to slide it in. Okay. And then we're just going to push that clip back on. Just like that. And we're going to go in there. We're going to start kind of on the left, and then we're going to push in, and then we're going to push to the right. Okay. Put our screw back in. And there it is. Thanks for watching.